Hi dear friends, how are you doing today? Welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to sign in your TikTok ID with CapCut. So first of all, open your CapCut app. Go to this Me option, and here you can see there is an option called Sign in with TikTok. Click on this option and here is getting a load and it's signing in. See, sign in successful. So you can customize your profile by clicking on the options. See, the TikTok is signed here. You can edit your profile by clicking on the edit profile option and everything. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching my video, and if you want to get more exciting videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.